Heading your way, unique triplanes, biplanes and monoplanes, up to 7 different types,
I see that.
5 variants representing the design evolution of the aircraft, from the BE-2 of 1914 to the Junkers CL-1 of 1918. This display is carefully choreographed to recreate the sight and sound of a typical whirring dogfight, as you would have seen it had you been sheltering in the trenches of the Western Front nearly 100 years ago. The pilots are all drawn from a wide range of backgrounds: test pilots, XRF fast jet pilots, airline pilots, aircraft engineers and private pilots, all with a passion for recreating the World War I aircraft and their flying skills.
What's the matter with lumps of onion floating around your feet?
There you have the BE-2 and Sept triplane passes. The prime role of the Royal Flying Corps was to be the eyes of the Army. Observation aircraft like the BE-2 were slow and stable, but that meant they were hard to maneuver. They were also largely unarmed, and by 1915, scout aircraft such as the Sept triplane were being developed to stop the vital reconnaissance information getting back to enemy headquarters. Sept's triplane design was developed in 1917, following the success of the Pup as one of the Royal Flying Corps' first scout aircraft